Hi guys, and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're doing the TRC front splitter for the Ford ST. I've gone for the modified variation of it. There's three different types: the V1, the modified, and the V3. Maybe there's a V2 in there, I'm probably sure there is. But I've gone for the modified one. The reason for that, gives you a little bit more ground clearance, and there's a lot of speed humps and stuff around my way, so hopefully it helps, but we'll see when we unbox it. So I'll undo it now and show you guys what's inside. Here you go, so opening up my box, you're greeted with the splitter itself. So here's the splitter, here's your mounting hardware, it's all inside there. You've also got another sticker, but yeah, quite nicely packaged. Obviously you've got to have a big enough box for this, and there's plenty of bubble wrap around this, which is all good. So I'll just unwrap it now and show you guys what it looks like. Cool, so here we have it guys, the modified front splitter. Just a quick note on the packaging, the amount of bubble wrap they've used, like this was on the ends, it's just insane, so good job, props to you guys for doing that. But basically this is the front splitter, as you can see, it's got that kind of lip that goes up, so I think once it's kind of on the car, it should look quite cool. They finished in a nice gloss black, so it should match everything else. So you've got the TRC branding here, and these are your drill holes, so this is where all your hardware is going to go through. But anyway, onto the install video, coming very soon.